Hello, F9 restoration product users. My name is Craig Harrison. I'm the owner and inventor of the F9 products. We have 4 products that can clean, restore, and maintain. We can clean just about every type of inorganic stain on almost every type of surface. So our products can get you wading in the water very deep, very quickly. So what do I mean by that? Things can get complicated when you're dealing with inorganic stains. And this is a restoration cookbook called the F9 Restoration Cookbook. I wrote this monster of a manual about 3 years ago, and this is the laminated version. It's almost an inch thick. These are very thick laminate, very high quality. It's the best quality laminate that we can get. Full color pages through and throughout, and the binder itself is over an inch wide, 1.25 inches wide. So the way you use this with our products, we have F9 Double Eagle, that's our cleaner, degreaser, neutralizer. F9 Efflow cleans up all your hard water stains, your 5 different types of efflorescence, your mud, red clay, copper stains, so on and so forth. Then we have the F9 Bark. It's an iron oxide or a rust remover. We also use that for different types of oxidation stains. And then we have the Groundskeeper, which is a high performance maintenance cleaner, commercial concrete maintenance cleaner. So the way you use this book, you open it up and you'll see we have 100 pages. There's 9 charts with 9 chapters, and each chapter has a flow chart. So if we go back to the 3rd page, it shows you the 4 products there: Double Eagle, Efflow, Bark, and Groundskeeper. And a little blurb on here on what all the products do. And then this is the page that you're going to come to the most to try to identify the type of surface and the type of stain that you have. So if you can tell the difference between a flat surface and a vertical surface, you're going to be able to use our products. Very simple. 4 products, this stain identification chart, and you can clean almost every type of inorganic stain that's out there. So you look at whether you have a flat surface or vertical surface. Here's the blue, that's a flat surface, and the green here is a vertical surface. So say you have a flat tile and stone, and you have some food grease. It's an outdoor patio. You have food grease and you have some rust. Say it's a rust stain from a pole or a sign or something that's out there. You'd look under flat surface. You'd go to the tile and stone box. You work on chart 3, page 33. So we'll just go back to the book to page 33. And here's one of the 9 flow charts. So the way you use the flow chart is you have the Double Eagle box up here, then the Efflow and the Bark, and then the order of cleaning. So a flow chart is made, and this one's very simple. You just answer yes or no if you have a stain in that family of stains. So if you have oil, hydrocarbon, food stains, tire marks, general surface accumulations, you'd answer yes. And then in the Double Eagle process, you'd use the F9 Double Eagle for the oil or the hydrocarbons or the food stains. And all of those are listed in the page right behind this. Then you answer, you have yes, you have oil stains or food stains. Then you go to the Efflow process. Now you ask yourself, do you have efflorescence, powdery efflorescence, primary efflorescence, calcium carbonate, calcite, many different types of alkali stains. And the Efflow also removes copper and mud, red clay stains. For this instance, we pretend we don't. We just have oil and we have rust. But if you had any of the other stains, you'd use the Efflow process second. So we answer no to that. Do we have heavy rust, orange battery stains, fertilizer rust, irrigation rust stains? Yes, we do. So we use the Double Eagle for the oil first, then we use the F9 Bark for the rust stains. So we go to the 2nd page here. I'll try to show you this the best I can. It's the F9 Double Eagle process for the flattened tile stone. So we follow the instructions on how to remove the oil, and we do that first. And then our 2nd process we're going to use is what? The Bark process for the rust removal. So we come back here, we skip through the Efflow processes, and there's Efflow process number 1, 2, 3, and 4, depending which type of stain you have. And here we have the F9 Bark process number 1 to use on the tile and stone. And a lot of times, most pages in here have a before and after picture. Now, the before and after pictures are great to use so you can kind of identify and look at and see, because when you're when you're new to the industry, you know, maybe your perception of the stain or what you have isn't really what mine would be. So when you have a before and after picture, you can use that just to confirm that you have the same type of issues that we think that we're dealing with. So use the double eagle process and then the bark process, and you clean it up. So it's very simple to use, you know, with 100 pages and nine charts and 9 chapters and every type of surface. So concrete, bricks, pavers, tile, stone, stucco, asphalt, vinyl, window, shingles, roofs. All the different surfaces are listed in here for both the flat and the vertical. So very easy to use. And then if you're in the field or in your truck, heaven forbid you get pulled over, or maybe just for your own knowledge, or maybe a customer, you want to pull out the SDS on our products. On the back of the book, it gives you the product, and right underneath it is a very user-friendly QR code. So you just take your phone, you scan the QR code, it's going to take you directly to the product page on our website, and all the information is listed there, the SDS sheet is listed there. So that's it for now. I just wanted to go over this. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at 855-803-1133. You can find the app in the app stores under F9 Restoration Cookbook. It's only 99 cents. We have a dealer map that you can find all of our dealers on our website, again, f9restoration.com. And also, we have a really nice Facebook group. You can go there if you can't get a hold of me, or you just have a question, you want other people's feedback on an issue or something you're having. F9 Restoration Professionals is the name of our Facebook group. So that's it for now. Give me a call if you need me. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. We're here for you guys, and I wanted to thank you, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be able to do what we love to do. Craig Harrison, over and out, and you guys have a great day.